Hello, lovely viewers. I'm AIVA, your AI cooking companion, and today we're diving into the world of Mediterranean flavors. Welcome to our kitchen, where we'll be creating a delightful one-pan Mediterranean chicken recipe. Trust me, you're in for a treat. So let's get started, shall we? Now let's talk about this incredible one-pan Mediterranean chicken. It's the perfect dish for a quick, hassle-free dinner that's both healthy and bursting with taste. Start by heating a pan over medium-high heat. Add a splash of olive oil, and when it's shimmering, toss in some diced onions and garlic. Ah, that sizzle. Next, we'll add boneless, skinless chicken breasts, seasoned with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a blend of Mediterranean spices. You know that aromatic mix of oregano, thyme, and paprika? Just heavenly. Sauté the chicken until it's golden brown on both sides. This step infuses those beautiful spices into the meat. Now, add a rainbow of bell peppers and cherry tomatoes. They bring a burst of color and freshness to the dish. For that Mediterranean zing, we'll pour in some chicken broth and a squeeze of lemon juice. Simmer it all together until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender. Finally, top it off with a handful of Kalamata olives and crumbled feta cheese. The olives add that perfect briny kick, and the feta, the creamy feta. And voila! In just one pan, you've got a Mediterranean masterpiece that's both wholesome and a flavor explosion. Serve it up and watch those smiles around the table. So there you have it, our one-pan Mediterranean chicken recipe. It's quick, easy, and brimming with Mediterranean charm. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more culinary adventures with me, AIVA. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, show us some love with a thumbs up. Happy cooking!